Whoa, looking at my drip, looking at your drip. Whoa, mommy, look at me. Oh, I'm killing it. Whoa, swinging side to side and I'm killing that. Whoa.
Hey guys, yes, it's me and I'm back. I'm back, y'all. Yes, guys, I've missed you so much. Please don't beat me up. Like, it's been a lot going on, and I'm so sorry that I haven't dropped a video in. But yeah, look, I got something new for you today. We're going to be filming a clothing haul. This is going to be my first clothing haul video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. The company that I shopped from was Shein clothing company. I'm sure you guys have heard of them online or on Twitter, on Instagram, or somewhere in the world. But yes, I'm going to be showing you a couple items that I purchased from them. I also purchased a couple of accessories as well. So why don't you say we get right into this video today. Okay guys, so this is my package here. Yeah, nice and heavy. You're fine. I'm gonna say that later. Let's take these out. I love that they come in individual packets like this here, and they're see-through, so you can check your clothing to make sure that you received everything right. Move on to the second. I'm gonna go through the clothing first, and then afterwards I'm gonna go ahead and try them on for you guys. The next thing that we have here is a two-piece. I got this in a medium because mama got a little in the back, you know what I'm saying? I'm sure. But this is a skirt that I got. Very color is pink, by the way. And this is the crop top that came with it. This is my next package. It's a t-shirt dress. And of course I got a small because I'm not that big, guys. Like, if you see, you're gonna see in a minute, I'm not that big, so I made sure I got a small, either a medium, nothing over that. It's cute. I like the colors in there. I actually have a Barbie hat that I got from Shein that goes with this. I'm going to show you that in a minute as well. So the next item that we have is a two-piece. And guys, for my whole package, I think I paid like less than $60, and I got at least about 8 or 9 outfits. So that means the outfits were at least $7 to $8 a piece, which that is great in my books. So if you're looking for some cheap clothing but with great quality, go ahead and check Shein company out. This is my two-piece. I absolutely love the little cherubs on there. They're so cute. Oh my god. It's the shorts, and like I said, this one is a small. You see how stretchy it is. And this is the crop top that came with it. You see the little angels on there? It's so cute. The next outfit here is a little one-piece bodysuit team. So let's go ahead and pull this out. I love the colors on this. Absolutely love the colors on this. That's the front. It's a little short one piece, and here is the back, which I'm absolutely in love with. Look at the back. Oh my god. It's gonna be a hot girl summer. Okay, y'all. It's the next package. And it's another bodysuit. I like bodysuits. They look good on my body. Yeah. This is the front. A little zipper, so you want to open it and show a little cleavage there. Go ahead and do that. Shorts. You can definitely wear this now, especially in the club, because you know it gets cold in the club and you don't want to bring a jacket. So look, shorts, long sleeves, perfect. I really like this one. I think this might be one of my favorites actually. But we gonna see when we try it on, y'all. And like I said, everything that I paid for was like $7 or $8. It's a little bodycon dress. Very pretty. I wish I would have got this when I did my butterfly look. But yep, and this is a medium. We got this in a medium. My dresses are in a medium because I want a little stretch for, you know, just because I did the twerk song. All right, guys. So next, let's get into the accessories that I got. I got these at 2 different times, but I still would like to show you guys the accessories. Okay, accessory time. So let me show you the hats that I got. This is one of the hats that I got. It says "Overcome," which is a great message for all of the things that's going on today in the world. I told you I had a little Barbie hat that went with the dress. I actually put that on together. You want me to, but yes, I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Got some velvet scrunchies from them. Since I have braids, it'll be perfect for my hair. I also got some hair clips from them. It says Libra. I'm a Libra, and I absolutely love these clips. It has one that says Libra, and then it has the sign up here, the actual astrology sign. I like hoop earrings. I got some hoops from them, and these are 3 different shapes. I think it's circle, a rectangle, and a square. So that's that. I got some rings for my fingers from them as well. Where else am I supposed to put these? Good. I got some oversized neon clips from them. I have these braids in, so this would be great for my hair. I also got a ankle bracelet from them, which I already wore, so it's somewhere in the house somewhere. But yeah, that's all the accessories that I got from them. All right, guys. So now that we've seen all my clothes, all my accessories, let's go ahead and try this on. All right, here's the runway. Let's get these clothes on. One moment. Right, guys, I did my hair too, period. This is the first dress. This is a medium. Ooh. And I have to say that it does fit quite nicely. The sleeves aren't running off my arm, like they're not falling off my arm. It fits really nice. It's twerkable. This is outfit number 1. Next outfit. Okay guys, this is the second fit. This is the one piece little ensemble, and that is the back. As you can see, like I was saying, it crosses in the back. And you don't have to wear a bra with this. As you can see, my titties are secured. So, ooh, I like the way it's shaped on me. Mama's getting thick. Oh, ew. Some shoes to match this. I actually have some. One moment. I got these from Fashion Nova like 2 years ago. So, I finally have an outfit to wear with them. Period. What y'all think? Snatched and all. That's that. Let's get into this next fit. Outfit number 3, y'all. Y'all, this is my Barbie hat. It goes perfectly with this dress shirt. I like it. It's not too big. It's kind of loose, but I mean, it's a dress shirt, so what was I expecting? And I did put shoes on. You got some shoes on to match it. All right, this is the 4th outfit. This is that red bodysuit. Gonna turn around, you can see that. I do have the earrings on that I got from them. And the scrunchie. And I did put some shoes on. You can dress this up or down. Like I said, I like heels and I like tennis shoes, so either one will work for me. But back it up, back it up. Oh, let's see if it's purple. I think it's workable, y'all. Okay, let's get into this next fit. All right, this is outfit number 5. This is that 2-piece with the sheriffs on it. It has a nice silky texture to it. It almost feels like I'm wearing pajamas, but it's nice and form-fitting. It fits very nice. Once again, I think I did very good on the sizing, guys. I did very well. But I want to turn around so you can see the back. And turn around and I put shoes on. I got my gold Pumas on.
Cover girl, put the bass in your walk. Head to toe, let your...
Yes, I give this a 10. I do like this. It fits very nice. Very good for the summertime. And I love the colors on it as well. But let's go and get into this next outfit. Alright guys, this is the 6th outfit. I like the way this fits. For some reason it makes me feel like I'm about to go play tennis. I don't know why. I'm not sure what particular shoes I wear. This probably some, I don't know, some Forces or some heels. You can do either one or whatever your preference. But once again, this fits very nice. And I got this in a medium. Most of my dresses are in mediums and then my 2 pieces are in smalls, just to make sure that I have enough stretch in them. Last but not least, babies. And last but not least, we have the bodycon dress, which I said before, it looks like a picnic basket and I'm the snack, period. Little baggy right there, but I mean, I can deal with that. Once it goes in the dryer, it's probably gonna shrink anyway. Another thing, I feel like Dorothy. This doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels like it's gonna last for a very long time. But okay, I'll be back for my final thoughts. Alright, Rosebuds, I'm here back for our final thoughts from this clothing haul. So first and foremost, I do love every single clothing item that I received from Shein. So shout outs to Shein first of all. And I do have to say that every single piece fits perfectly to the T. Nothing feels cheap. It doesn't feel paper thin. It actually feels like the clothing will last a long time. So yeah, I would give this a 10 out of 10, Shein. Woo! And I will definitely be ordering more from you guys in the future. Like I said, I love your clothes, I love your accessories, and who doesn't like cheap stuff? So if you want to check them out, guys, I can actually leave the link down below in my description box if you want to go ahead and check out some of their things. Also, let me know if you'd like to see more clothing hauls in the future, because I don't know about you, but I had fun. And like I said, if you guys would like to see more, go ahead and let me know down below in the comments. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. But Rosebuds, I gotta go, but you know, I'll see you in the next video.